Hello, share on computer. Okay. Hello, dear Harmony members and the investors. Welcome to my live. Okay, today is excuse me. Today is the new week, August 17. Very happy to see you here. Okay, hi, Frederick and Phoebe and the Cha party. Okay, very nice to see you and welcome to my live. And very happy if you can share to your friend now. If you can also learn something from my video. So if you're the first time to watch my video, this is a live stock diagnosis in the US and the Malaysia market, but more focus on Malaysia market lah. And every trading day around 1:10, okay, 1:10 p.m. So we have around 30 minutes or 40 minutes to diagnosis your share. And I have sent my topic today. You have received maybe from the message. And if you want to diagnosis your share, this is the good way I can diagnosis. So can send your share code number and entry price to my WhatsApp 011-1652-7962. So here's the way how can diagnosis your share. Send your share code number and the entry price to 011-1652-7962. So even after the live, I can diagnosis for you in the WhatsApp. And if during the live, you can also leave below this video as a comment, and then I will diagnosis for you. So before we start, okay, here's the disclaimer. So this video is purely for sharing and the study and discussion. So any direct or indirect loss or suffered by any person as a result of reliance on this video shall not be responsible. Okay, so this is the one. Yeah, hi, Miss Wan. Okay, and Alvin. Okay, nice to see you. So maybe I give you 30 seconds to share this video to your friend. Thank you. Okay, hello, let's go on. Okay, so today I give you a special topic, right? Hi, Lim. Hi, Lim. Welcome to my life. I give you a special topic today, the secret of Buffett's investment principle. Very big topic, but actually just want to share this one for you and how to say, try to make it apply it into practice, because in current market some of the investors mindset psychology is not so good. So actually yeah, just kind of a sharing and then help us to how to say, help us to have a better mindset of this current market, especially for some new investor. Some new investor maybe get stuck after chasing high, right? After chasing high. So, so let us share this one for you first. Okay, what is the one up? And maybe some of you already know that because it's kind of a famous one. Okay, kind of a famous. Okay, excuse me. Sorry. Where is the light? Slide here. Okay. Here's the one I want to share with you. One of the Facebook asked about Buffett's first principle. What is the secret to invest in, right? To invest in. Buffett replied with sincerity of the Buddha, because he was one of the Buddha, and independent thinking and inner peace. Independent thinking and inner peace. Before we dive into the share, yeah, this is something I want to share with you, which is also very, very important, especially for current market. And okay, we can take a look about this one. This independent thinking is very important because I still have a lot of investors. Okay, they want to. They have a lot of news, a lot of tipsy. Okay, outside. So that's sometimes they just want to follow them and their money, then they make money by lucky. Okay, sometimes good luck, especially few months before, is very good and they can make money. Okay, everything is okay. But recent months, the whole KOCI go to sideways already. You know, from July 14th till now, more than 1 month already, the market goes sideways, KOCI. So many shares, strong shares also go to sideways, and some strong sectors are kind of uh, driven down their how to say their this index, right? So especially the glove one is very strong one, but recently have many investors lose money, new investor lose money, and then old investor, some of them uh, make less money. So so we need to figure out, okay, independent thing is very important, because okay, about the charting things, I'm not sure if I need to share here or not, because yesterday, yesterday I have been sharing in my class, this legal field platform yesterday in the member course. So I share all the market things, but no problem, I can share you a little, still can share you about this one. Have a simple look. Okay, last week, this is the last week, the KLCI. Okay, the whole chart is like this. So the market is kind of a sideways for longer term already. You can see, right? So you can see this KLCI, their profitable effect. This one very important. If you're the first time to attend my life, so this profitable effect reflects the whole market's investors' profitable effect. If it's good, means easier for you to make money. But if it's not good, then if it's a decrease, means their profitable chance become harder compared to before, right? But if half this red tips, means you still have chance to make money, but compared to 1 month before, it just kind of decreasing, kind of decreasing. Compared to before, here there's no red bar here, means the whole market are very hard for us to make money before. Okay, but if have a lot of green retailer, I mean, it's very easy for us to lose money. This is a lose effection. Okay, lose effective. Now the red bar is the winning, the profitable effective. So you can see from this day, the market it go to sideways for more than 1 month. So before we also draw picture here, right? Draw picture here, and we can see still here, right? Still here, and we can take a look about today's chart. We can also look about this today's chart. Okay, KLCI. And then to see if today's chart is still inside of this sideways or not. Because last week we shared, actually it's kind of in this bottom area. Better not break down this bottom area, otherwise it's kind of dangerous. And before 1 day below, but later it cover back, which is still okay, right? I think today is open low. Today is open low, the whole market. But later on recover back. It's similar. Similar things happen. You see. Also same day like this one. Okay, same day like this one. And this is August 12th. It's August 12th. Okay, now today is August 17th. So also below this window, also below this box already, also below this box already. So need to very be careful, be careful. If it leads to recover back, otherwise it will drop further. Okay, drop further. And we know this one also driven down by the healthcare, by this healthcare. So we can see the sector. Okay, the sector as here is today's sector. Not this one. Okay, this one. And today is driven up by energy and down by the healthcare, right? Energy. So after see this, all this happened. Okay, so some people ask, can I still hold my healthcare share, right? Or can I enter the energy now? So many questions, okay, come out. Okay, So how should we do? So independent thinking is very important. Actually, no outside experts, right? No outside experts. Only centered with yourself, within yourself, means that you can listen to others, but their decision need to make by yourself. So you need to stay centralized by yourself, within yourself heart, within your heart. Means that you are the only guru you're the only guru you ever lead. Okay, you are the only guru you ever lead. Others is assist you. Okay, assist you. So you can learn from them and then put it practice. But make sure you master it. Okay, make sure you master it. That's why many homely members join as member. They want to learn the method because we giving the fishing method instead of giving the fish. Homely never giving tips. Okay, so that's why homeless member always get improved. Of course, cannot say everybody is become a guru like that. He cannot become the guru of others, but he can become the guru of himself because he get improvement, right? After all, he learned the method and he can put it in practice, and then he can analyze, he can make money. Make money is follow up, right? It's come automatically. So if he do all the things in independent things fully, so there's those members who can always attend the class and can always use the software. Discipline means follow the software strictly. Always easy for them to make money. This is the real thing. Yeah, though, because every time I show you, I choose this trading day because it's very close to the market, trading market time. So you can also how to say, verify or something. But more important, I focus is the way how you analyze, right? Am I right? Because in English sometimes I cannot express well. Okay, so if you still can understand, you can let me know. I hope try to make myself clear here. So when we talk about here, so we can take a look about the healthcare, no problem, because it's still the important indicator for many investors who still have holding them, right? Holding them. So we can take a look about this healthcare. So before we take the real-time chart, we can take a look about this sector, the sector. Yesterday in my class, I share all the market review. If you want to review, if you want to see, because members already attend, no problem. Some non-members maybe didn't. So if you didn't attend, you can come to me. I can try to share the video for you, no problem. So let's take a look about the healthcare sector. This healthcare sector. Okay, healthcare sector, you see the whole profitable. Okay, this one, the red bar is the banker tips. Okay, if you're the first time to listen my live, so here is very important elements for you to analyze. First thing, the capital. Okay, if the big capital, what we call it, bankers or institutional funds, it still exists there, at least 50%, means we have retailer chips, which is losing money. We have hot money. The yellow chips is the foreign funds, the speculator, and we have bankers. Okay, these three capital, the bankers must standing about 50%. Make sure then you choose this shares to trade. Always be make yourself be safeguarded in the market. Okay, the second thing, the trend, also very important. Make sure in uptrend. Okay, make sure in uptrend. I know still have a lot of people, they want to do bottom catch, but maybe it's not the right time. Yeah, we have some probability to win, but if it's becomes very hard, sometimes it's your choice lah. Okay, if for me, maybe I will choose some more stable shares in this sideways market. Okay, sideways market, because market already increased for a few months already. If you want the bottom catch 1 or 2 months before earlier, no problem. And maybe if you can know that the big bull market is coming, so you can also lay out. But who knows the future, right? Who knows the future? The future is not clear, right? Future is not clear. So we need to be always be cautious, because also market goes sideways after a strong big rebound, right? So you see this healthcare, first thing, the banker chips are standing above 50%. And we can see here is the value of the banker chips bar, the red chips bar. The percentage of this red bar is 71%. So still okay. So I always say that, okay, so for longer term, okay, but because not everybody trade this healthcare in longer term, means that they bought here, okay? If you trade longer term, we use the daily chart and we can use this trend expert. Here is the buy point, okay? When this red bar, when this green bar turn to red, is the entry point for mid to long term, no problem. And then when this bar break up the chief line, this major line, okay, breakthrough upward, this major line is your entry point. But not everybody buy here. Here is April, okay? Okay, so if you buy here till now, it's still very safe, no problem. Till now, you still have 90 days, you still have almost 2 times profit, no problem. But you know, many of the investors buy where? Buy here. Okay, they're chasing high in the top area. And then when the red bar turns to green bar, actually it's your time to take profit or cut loss, but they don't reluctant to sell, and then get stuck here. So you see, there are green retailers here. If you're losing money, you're one of the retailer. Okay, I'm sorry to heard that if whether you get caught here. I hope everybody can take your profit in time or cut loss if you go in you're chasing higher. So they enter here and then they're reluctant to sell and they say, okay, Maggie, you said long term should be okay, then I switched my strategy from short term to long term lah. Then I'm still safe. So actually it's kind of how to say, you comfort yourself. Okay, sometimes the right way lah. Okay, the right way for us is that we just call out loss. We can lose a little bit, but we will never get stuck. If you switch your strategy, then you get stuck now. Okay, actually you get stuck. So you will become one of the green color. Okay, green color. Okay, so as we said, you should sell in the hourly chart. You maybe lose a little bit, but it's fine. It's very okay. So this is the way you can, how to say, you need to think independently. Okay, you no need to always switch your strategy. Sometimes it's not your strategy, it's other strategy. Okay, no outsider experts, as we said. So this is the first one, the independent thinking. First thing, you are the only guru. Okay, you are the only guru you ever need, no others. Okay, no outside experts. Trust yourself. How to trust yourself? You come to learn, right? You need to learn, you need to master. Why Homely offer the lifetime training course for all the members? You can see the classes every day are English class, Mandarin class, almost every day have class. So if you'd love to see, you'd love to learn, it's very easy for you. But if not, you only listen to other, listen to Tipsy, I cannot be helpful for you. Maybe here is not the right channel for you. Okay, need to trust yourself. So, and another thing, okay, we can also, when we talk about here, we can also take a look about some of your shares, glove one, no problem, we still can diagnosis. I can fully understand you, can fully understand your situation, because we still got some new investors here who is chasing high. So you can leave your comment, you can leave your shares here if you have one about this healthcare, and I can check my videos, check my, okay, from the first one, from Sin Lee, he have this glove one, but I'm not sure, is he beginner or senior one, no problem. So he put 0187, 0187, BC Mo, okay, BC Mo. Oh, it's not the one, I thought it's that's HLT, or maybe I got the wrong one. Oh, it's okay lah. It's okay. Okay, we can check. We can put it here, no problem. And then it's kind of industry. It's not the healthcare, but it's okay. We can check this one first. Although we take here. Your entry price is 1.11. Oh, quite higher. Oh, sorry, 0.39. 0.39. 0.39, where is the one? 0.39 is around here. So top, so high, so higher. So it's kind of a high area. So if you're chasing high, considering you're chasing high, so actually you should cut loss before. So this day is around August 7. Okay, let us check about August 7. In the hourly chart, we use the hourly chart. When we entry and exit, we can use this trend expert. If you're the first time, listen my life, okay? This red bar is short-term uptrend, green bar is short-term downtrend, analyze from the price trend. So when the green bar turns to red bar is your entry point. And then when the red bar turns to green bar is your sell point. And when all the price stand above this major line are more safe. But if break down this major line is very aggressive, very dangerous for you to trade. So actually your enterprise is around here, then maybe we see the price here is 415. Maybe you're around here, and here is 39. So you enter here, later on you need to cut loss here. Okay, you enter here because you're chasing high, and later on in this day, this is the price here is 405. Okay, 405. You should sell, make a little bit because you're chasing high, you need to prepare. Okay, what you need to prepare after chasing high is that cut loss anytime. You need to set your cutting loss. Okay, your cut loss price, and then you cut loss the first time. Second time for you to cut loss is here when the trend X break down. And you can see at this time the bankers also didn't increase, keep decreasing. The trend of the bankers is keep decreasing. Okay, and if now you still hold, now you can see it's rebound. But if this rebound cannot break through this major line, you just take a profit. Okay, you just take a profit. I cannot say take profit, cut loss. Okay, switch to another strong share. This share, so far the bankers are only 24%. Only 24%. So now it's still in correction area, right? Still correction area. You can only buy when this correction finished. So it means that the profitable effect also decreased a lot. So this share, the strategy also middle short term. Okay, middle short term. And then we can go on. This is the first thing. Of this independent thinking, no outside experts. You are the only guru you ever need. And the second thing of this independent thinking, I think, is that you need to know yourself, right? You need to know yourself very surely, what kind of the investor you are. So some of the investor from outside, okay, analyze means that you don't have much time to analyze. You can only do medium long term. Okay, some of the one is that your emotional, your psychology is not so good. So also better not to always to do bottom catch or chasing high. Just follow the software to remind you the entry point and exit point. Otherwise, your mindset become bad, and then you will lose confidence in the whole market, right? So you always need to know how to say what type of investment what type of yourself, and then which strategy is the best strategy for you, suitable for you. Okay, the first thing, independent thinking, and the second thing is the inner peace. Okay, inner peace actually you can also belong also inner peace means that you always know where you are and where you want to go. For example, very simple. Okay, some of the investors, they very surely what kind of the type of they load themselves. So maybe they will set stop profit, maybe 20% or 30%. So after he achieve this profit, so they will cut loss very surely without hesitation. So that is his way, and he is also benefit from that. And this is one. And another example for the homeless investor, some of them do short term, so they always use the hourly chart to entry and exit, so they can always make the money. They will follow this principle and they know this is their method. Okay, this first thing, always know where is your direction, where you want to go uh, after matching your strategy. A second thing of this inner peace is that you need to be patient. It's very important. Okay, this morning Jimmy come to me. He said he learned fast. He's very passionate. He's very confident in the whole market. But the only thing he need to improve is that the patience. So I agree with him. Not means that he don't have patience. I'm agree with him. It's because that he's quite sure know about himself, and he will how to say try to improve this weakness, as he said, this weakness of himself. So that's why he's planning to join as a member and to make himself more objective, and then can more discipline with this software, and then can make profit in the in the market. Okay, so this is the patience. So some of the shares just drop. For example, okay, the comfort. Okay, because as you mentioned here, from Phoebe, the comfort. So what is the patience? For example, if you are middle long-term investor, this is very important for middle long term. Short term, of course, very important. So I describe the middle long term first. Middle long term investor, they okay. Not every time they can enter, right? Agree? So we only enter when the correction finish. Of course, make sure you choose a strong share. If you just choose a share, it's just in very top area. For example, I just okay. For example, I choose one share, no bankers. Okay, your choice is wrong at the beginning. So this is a very common sense. I make sure you choose the right one. If you still cannot choose a strong share, buy software. Software can help you find the institutional funds, their bankers. Okay, you just use the technical filter system. You choose the bankers more than 50%. You see so many, 213 very strong shares. And at the same time, you can optimize them. You can put a buy point, a sell point with the software indicator. You can optimize more better shares. So this is one thing. Okay, and then where we are. So what the pensions are, for example, I still want to buy the healthcare. For example, Comfort, as Phoebe want to diagnosis share. If you want to long term, we use the trend expert in daily chart, no problem. We need to wait when this green bar turns to red bar again. If you find this Comfort this day, 1 week ago, you see till now still no buy point. So that's the way you need to wait for a while, right? You need to wait until it can appear the buy point like here. And we see now their comfort breakdown, how to say, trying to break down trend line is kind of a deep correction, right, compared to before. And now the banker chips around 57%. From this day, okay, I make it bigger. From this day is August 7th, okay, August 7th, this day have retailer appeared, means from this day, got some investor lose money. Because why? Because they're chasing high in high area. They're chasing high, then they get stuck. So at that time, if you use hourly chart cut loss, then all this drop is no business with you, right? No business with you. So Phoebe said your entry price is 655. So high. Now it's 3.86. Okay, let us see where is the price. 6 high. So because the high price of the comfort is 7.2, you entry and 655. Maybe I guess you entry before you see the top. You're chasing high, right? You're chasing high. So actually also the same. We go to the hourly chart. We use the trend expert. This is the hourly chart. So the price you entry, let me find it. 655. 655 is around this is 67. This is okay. This is 655. Okay, this day 655. You can check here. This is the value of my mouse. So here, is 655 around here, right? 68. So yeah. So you buy here, no problem. Because but you know, first thing you know, you're chasing high. Second thing, set stop loss. Here is your first sell point. Because red button to green bar already. I'll make it bigger if you cannot see clearly. Okay, here when the green bar turns to when the red bar turns green bar, this is the first time you need to sell. If you miss it, I'm very busy, I'm not too short-term, Maggie, no problem. Second thing, when the red bar, okay, after how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 1 day. The second buy point, sell point, when the red bar turns green bar. Okay, second thing, okay, medium term, no problem. Medium term, okay, when you break down, okay, when break down the chief line, is another time for you to run. So you will never wait until now. If you have the software, right? You have the software. So what's your strategy now? Today have a slightly rebound, okay, but now it's still green color below this major line. All stacked retailer here, you see? All these stacked retailer, they're chasing high here and then lose money here. Okay, so the best way for you to do, when this green bar turns red bar here, for example, I will make it bigger. This is the rebound finish time. Okay, when the red bar turns to green bar below the line, below the chief line is a rebound finished area. You sell here. Okay, follow the software, and then now no rebound. You can also wait for the rebound, and then rebound finished without breaking out, without breaking through the chief line. Also, switch to another strong share. Okay, switch to another strong share. But actually, how to say? Because I just said when you're chasing high, actually, why this one appeared? How to? Okay, no problem. So we can see this is time you sell, but maybe your time is daily time. Daily time you also entry wrong way, but because totally no buy point at that time, right? Also give you the sell point. And for intraday, if you do intraday of the comfort, we can also see this 1 minute chart. Today, have slightly chance. Okay, here, when the bar break out, okay, I will call it out. When this white price line break up the yellow line, before we also shared is your chance here, because at this time, the mini chart, 1 minute chart also got bankers here. So that's why it's your short-term chance. So from here to here, around 5%. Okay, around 5%. You can check here. You can check here. Okay, 5%, around 5%. And if you have these banker chips of homely software, here you can enter earlier. Okay, enter earlier, because here actually is more aggressive. If you don't have this indicator, better not buy here, because very aggressive buy point. If you have these banker chips, you can buy here. Because green turned red here. After you buy here, till here you sell. When the green bar, when the red bar turns to green, you sell here, right? So I already tell you. And here is the buy point. Here is the buy point. Here is the buy point, and here is the sell point. This is you have this software, right? You have these banker chips. At the same time, these bankers are confirmed for you, double confirmed for you. So if for intraday players, here to here today, I think have around 10%. So you can see here, this is the percentage. You have 10% today. Okay, this for intraday. So you know what is the pensions now? Even have bankers inside also need to wait for their buy point appeared, then you can entry. But most important thing, you choose the right share. Comfort now is trying to break down the chief line, the major line. So if it later on have another candle double confirm this breakdown, no chance anymore. Okay, just switch to others. So your question is coming. So Maggie, today have this energy increase, energy sector increase, and plantation also not bad. So can I in? This is a lot of investors questions. So I cannot answer you directly yes or not. Let us analyze first. The first thing, maybe we can take a look about this energy. Energy also have some news, good news. And before we say it, the energy sector is always influenced by this oil price. So you also need to can take a look about this news to do some short term. So not purely listen to the news. After listen to the news, you use the software to verify if yes, at the same time both matched, then you trade. But sometimes good news, still bad chart, you don't trade. Okay, this is also independent thinking. So we go to the energy. If you have any energy shares you want to diagnose here, Oh, maybe we take a look. I know Xamarin have. I know Xamarin have. It's okay. Before we go to the energy, we take a look about the Supermax. Because I see who Palm have a leave message here. No problem. We can take a look at Supermax. Also drop, but later on cover back, right? Cover back. So in the daily chart, it's like this. This is no, this is daily chart. Supermax. Supermax, you haven't break down the major line, but this major line also become green. This major line, what it means, this major line, if it's green purple, is purple color means mid long term uptrend. But if it turns green, it tends to become downtrend in mid long term. So this is the one. And the low buy point for mid long term, because it's still green color, we only buy when this green bar turns to red bar, then can buy for mid long term. But for short term, we go to hourly chart, no chance. Okay, low chance. But I don't know your entry price. Hourly chart have chance. Okay, not hourly chart, tick chart. Intraday have chance. You can buy here if you have this indicator, and you can also buy here if you don't have that indicator. From here to here, around 5%, I think, right? 5%, 5%. Okay, this is the one. And then we take a look about the oil one, no problem. And okay, we take a look about the oil. The oil. HL energy. Okay, energy. This is a sector of the oil. You can see the oil, we need to take a look about the whole trend with this rainbow, still below white line. White lines is the boundary of bull and bear. So you see, energy shares is still mid short term strategy, and the bankers haven't followed. Only last week, one day, it increased a lot. The index also increased 12%. It's quite strong, but later on it didn't remain. Also, the first day it didn't remain. Right now it's decreasing. So, how to say, it's still in this way, haven't very confirmed in uptrend. So a lot of yellow chips here. Yellow chips is speculators. So speculator is very fast one. If you can trade fast one, means you have good technology, good technical skills. You can try. But if you are middle long term, just can wait for 1 year until it can break out this white line. Okay. And then how about the other one? The other sector. Okay, today another sector is technology. Technology 1%. 1%. Energy is 2.3%. And then is industrial and the plantation not bad. Okay. Only healthcare drop today. And the transportation slightly drop. Okay, transportation slight drop. So about this now we're talking about the second one, inner peace. Second point of the inner peace must be patient. The third thing of this inner peace always compete with yourself. Make sure you have improvement. This is very important. Don't competitive with other investors. Different style, different situation, different level. Level I means your learning level. Okay, don't misunderstand to me. So make sure, right? Make sure you get improvements. If you compare to others, your mindset will become very bad. This is not good for you because mindset is very quite important for us. You know, all the masters, all the guru or all the senior investor, they are not failure on the technical method. The failure on the mindset. Some of the share they buy well, buy in the right place, but they're reluctant to sell when the sell point appears. Always happened because the whole market is a reflection of the humanity, of the whole human natural humanity. So it's very important for you to take care of your heart. Like Buffett said, okay, it's very happy thing for you to trade in. If you find make money is the last destination of your trading. Actually, once you make money, then you don't know what to do. Sometimes you can also make money by lucky, right? Then how to do? But actually in the markets, it's kind of how you can make money. You need to know you're making money from people who know less than you, okay? And you, how to say, so make sure that you have very good building your knowledge and how to say, use the tool to assist you, then you can make money from others. So this is lead your improvement, not by lucky level last. Okay, everybody only have 7 lucky times overall your life. Okay, read this from one book. Okay, so you see a lucky only sometime cannot last, but you want to be get the passive income in the stock market. You should build yourself knowledge, very strong knowledge, right? So in this market, you're competitive with yourself. You are on a never-ending journey of self-discovery. This is not suitable for this stock market, but also suitable for other sides of your life, right? Never-ending journey of self-improvement and self-discovery. So if you make improvement, you are making some difference. This is very important for you. Okay, this is my experience, my sharing about this Buffett's investment. So, and I will also try to apply with your share. And I hope this is will also benefit for you a little bit. Okay, now we take a look about your share, no problem. And from Lisa, many times, Lisa, you know how to leave comments now. Actually, when you watch my live, you can see you need to open the YouTube, and then you can write below. There is a comment there. You can leave comment there, and if still cannot, you leave in my WhatsApp. Okay, Lisa's first share 5.57. Saudi is very strong share before, and I don't know your entering price, but we can see from last day. Okay, I make it bigger. We take a long term first, long term of this share. For example, the monthly chart. The monthly chart, okay, actually already meet this previous high, very strong resistance. You can see, I will draw a line for you. Drawing lines is very good tool or skill for you. And the last Saturday, our Mandarin class conducted by our chief lecturer. If you missed this class, you can learn from, you can get it from our from the teacher who invite you. So you see, have resistance here. The resistance price is when if my mouse put here, the price is 54. Okay, 54 cents. 54 cents is very strong resistance from the long term, because here this year is 2017. And here is 2015, 2 years ago, right? Very strong resistance at 54 cents. So then we can see the daily chart. And then we take a look about this one. And we see now the price of this share now is 53 cents, right? 53 cents. But before he go to the higher price of this share is 67 cents. It's breakout in the daily chart before. Okay, I put my mouse in 54 cents. Where is 54 cents? I will make it bigger. Okay, 54 cents is around here. Okay, here is 54 cents. Here is 54 cents. So you can see at this price, trying to break up before, but it fall back. And then this day break up already, but it didn't stand above 3 days. Okay, 3 days. So it means that failed. Okay, break up failed. At the same time, the price keep new high, but you can see bankers decreasing divergence between the price and this big bankers. Okay, so be careful. Actually, before you break out, you can see from this day is August. This day is August 5th. Okay, August 5th, last Friday. Price keep new high, but actually you can see the bankers keep decreasing. Okay, keep decreasing. So be careful here. If you're medium long term, you put the trend export, actually is your time, right? And if your hourly chart, if you're short term, so if you buy at the before, here's the sell point, okay, for medium short term. But the whole trend is still okay. Whole trend for middle long term still okay. Just the bankers now only 42%, only 42%. So in current market, so this share if cannot break out 54 cents, don't put for long term, right? Don't put for long term because we just see a very strong resistance in this long term. So be careful. Before it break out, you short term, no problem. And for intraday, have a good chance today. You see very strong. Intraday also have bankers here, and you can buy when the price break out this yellow line. So from here till here, maybe 2 cents, 3 cents. But if you have this banker tips, you can buy here till here. You will have around, let's see, 5 cents, right? 5%, 5%. Okay, 5%. Okay, now we see your other share. Many here. Alvin. Alvin, I check for you or not. 0081 mega, okay? 00 on my entry price is 215. I guess today, right? I guess today. So we take a look about this chart first in long term. Long term first, short term next. Also, always very important for you. Long term, this monthly chart, we just draw a line, very easy and effective. So we can see breakout already in this monthly chart also appear the bankers. So no big resistance for you, right? So far long term okay. Then short term, the bankers already have 87% strong share, right? Strong share at this day because this is the first day. The bankers more than 50%. Once the bankers more than 50% means that the share is kind of tends to go stable uptrend, stable uptrend. Okay, so even drop is correction, right? Even drop is correction. And then we can see now it's still okay for medium long term. And today is slightly, today have 10% or have 10%. Very good, very good. So if your long term buy point is here, right? Long term buy point is August 4th, still can hold. And in your price is 215. So I guess you entered today, right? Because if you not entered then maybe long term ago. So you are maybe middle short term or intraday. Okay, middle short term actually in hourly in half yearly 30 minutes in 30 minutes I have buy point here. Entry buy point is here is last Friday 4 p.m. But here have sell point though. 30 minutes, 12 o'clock have sell point. So if you buy here, 12 o'clock you sell, is a line around 4 hours 13%. Around 4 hours 13%. Of course, we have also other powerful indicators. You see PBD still stay above 0 axis for members. You're still very safe, no problem. But later on turn is red, you still can buy back, no problem. I don't know your entry price. I don't know your entry. Where is entry? And we can see in the mini chart, in the 1 minute chart for intraday. Intraday this morning have chance, but here already break down. I should be careful. So breakdown should be careful here, right? When you break down, be careful. If this afternoon it can break up the yellow line, still your chance to trade back for intraday. Okay. And okay, Lomala 0041. 0041. Wow, 32%. Wow, it's crazy one, huh? Very crazy one. So we can see, yeah, before I remember at least 3 times I you ask about this share because you do long term. So before I insist to tell you in long term is still okay. Last Friday also share this one for you because it's a strong share. A lot of bankers here. This is last Friday. Oh, okay, we can see this chart. Make sure you're not mixed. So trend expert. Trend expert before a short-term correction, but actually today gap up 32%. Congratulations. So you can see the whole chart. You still hold it. But what's the question? Today rebound. Yeah, can we look at it, please? Okay, so I think you still hold it, right? You still hold it because before you also asked me long term no problem. Then for short term, we go to hourly chart. Hourly chart we use trend export. Here is the buy point. I make it bigger. So the buy point here is today 10 o'clock. right? Today 10 o'clock. You buy here, right? Today 10 o'clock. You buy and until now, only 2 hours. Only 4 hours. You have 33%. So for intraday, also very good chance for you to today. If you see this hourly chart or tick chart, very good chance. You see all bankers here, and once the price up, once the market open, it says standing above the yellow line. So far, no sell point, still hold, right? Because the red trend ladder is still green, is still red color. Okay, so yeah, Lomana. Okay, but for half year member is Homely Life chart available for half year membership. Pang. If you subscribe to half year member is 5,000 plus, right? Half year member, you have real time, but not PC version. Okay, you can see here. Half year member, you have mobile version 1 month only. Okay, 1 month only. PC real time version only available in lifetime package. Okay, and we give you a real time version in lifetime package 1 year for free. If half year package, no PC real time and only 1 month for mobile version. Mobile version is real time, no lagging. All Homely's real time products, no lagging. Okay, this is from Pang. Ronnie's question 7148. 7148, your entry price 2.97. Maybe today, I guess, because now the price is 297. So we take a look about the in this whole chart. Take a look about the longer term chart first. So it's kind of strong one. Is vaccine related share, right? Vaccine related. So he hitting new high, but recently the bank is a little bit decreasing. A lot of yellow tips. So your strategy better mid short term. So your entry price already see. So we go to hourly chart because you do mid short term. Today, okay, here half buy point, but it's still below this major line. So it's still very aggressive if you buy here. Although the green turned red, but it's very aggressive. Better entry when you break out this major line. Okay, Ronnie. And you can see, so yeah, this is the one. Okay, this is the one. If for mini chart, you can see today slightly, later on you see here already break down the yellow color 10, after 10, 12. Here is the time, can you see? Here's the time, 10, 20 already break down. So very small chance for intraday. Okay, so today is a little bit late. So if you want to diagnosis your share, you can just leave your shares code number and the entry price to 011-165-27962. And another big news I want to share with you is we have opened a very big event in this coming weekend. We'll tell you how to hunting the banker. How to say banker hunting. Last time I shared with you here. Have Mandarin version on Saturday 2 to 5 p.m. and also got English version on Sunday. This coming Sunday 10 a.m. to 11:30. All members newly registered, you will receive their course ID and the support and the password from our customer service line. So non-members, don't forget to register from me. Please send LZ to 011-165-27962. Top game of banker hunter, because following bankers is the first step. If you still cannot follow the bankers, just join member. And we have shared your higher method how to hunter, okay, do banker hunter in these current days. And we can always capture the stocks and follow to make money. And do not be a leak, right? In this market, you will become the winner who can follow bankers to make money. And you can invite your friends to participate. We will send you the online Zoom ID and the password for you, okay? You can also share this picture to your friends, then they can participate together. So this is very important. And another thing, and you know that Homely software will have a price up 700 ringgit soon. 700 ringgit soon. So this is a purchase line. You can join member earlier Okay, this is the purchase line 011-1652-7962. Okay, make sure you can join before this price up, and it's very important for you to use the software to follow your shares, right? Analysis your share. So this is a package. We have lifetime package 12,500 line. You can use the home software for lifetime. No need to pay any data fee. And you have a PC real time, have real time data 1 year for free, and you can use this half year for trial. Okay, half year version 5,000 plus. Is 6 months. Okay, you can use the software 6 months. After 6 months, you can use you can renew every year 1,000 plus, and we will give you 1 month mobile version for free. Yeah. So here is almost all for today's class, and yeah, here's the purchase line. So if you can benefit a little bit about my life today, please give me a like, okay, in the right bottom, and can also share this message. Share this message I sent you to your stock friends, and yeah, that's almost for today's video. So thank you for your watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
去说服自己不必再挣扎，就让时钟转回遇见你那个夏。秋冬过了多少时间，眼睁睁看着你走好远，伸出双手想抓住你背影，却错失指尖，微笑不让泪模糊我双眼，我停在这里数着滴答滴答，听你在那头抽着烟不说话。若我们之间走到分岔，是否还有什么眷恋着不肯放下？我反复练习你